Good evening, friends. We are at Jyoti CNC stall. We are talking to Mr. Vikas Taneja. Taneja ji, please let us know what has been displayed here at your stall.
Yeah. Hi, this is Vikas Taneja. Now we are participating here on an area of 14,000 square feet. You can see we have almost 27 machines on display here, out of which 7 machines are being launched for the first time. We'll talk about it later for those machines. And we have more than 250 Jyoti team members participating here to cover the entire exhibition, IMTEX.
I think we will have a quick round on, understanding the complete portfolio of Jyoti CNC.
Now here we have the Tachyon series. This is a very high-speed machining centers which we have manufactured, and this comes in 3 different sizes. All the 3 are on display. You see this is the very high rapids. We have a very fast tool change and the pallet change. Now we have also demonstrated this machine, the 3 machines in line, with robotic interface for mass production. We can have a look at the robo movement here. Now these machines are to be used for very high-speed manufacturing for mass production and unmanned operation. These machines, if you have a look at these machines again, we can extend the usage of this robotic interface for number of machines further. So this is a good thing that we are demonstrating. Now here we have the entry-level machines. You can see the machines. I think if you focus on the machines, we have these machines on display with the new Navu series. You can see the outlook of the machines is to the international standards. So you will find a lot of machines, 27 machines. I think we cover from 2-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis, and multitasking machines. I'll show you a few specific machines like this one. This is the AX series. This is CNC turn mill center, where we have the, you can see this machine here. It is all done in, it's a turning and milling operations being done on the same machine. This machine has a feature of electrospindle. We have the milling tool turret. Then we have the sub spindle on this machine, and we have also the y-axis. So this is a perfect turn mill center, which we have various sizes available on this. We go further. And these are some of the 3-axis machining centers here, where we have the new Navu series guarding that has been fitted onto this, and we have 18,000 RPM electrospindle which is fitted onto this, which is used for the high-speed machining of components from like aluminum. I think we come to this machine. This, if you can see this machine, this is a huge machine. It is a 3.3 meter long machine, an X-axis stroke. This we have displayed the 5-phase machining operation. If you can see on this machine inside, we have the auto head, which is doing the side operations. So it converts the 3-axis to these 4-axis machine. So the entire 5 phases can be machined on this. Now this is one of the large machine, very popular machine in India. Now this is one of the horizontal machining centers which we have displayed here. This is the HX 500 series. This is one of the models. Now if you see this TS 120, this is a twin spindle turning center with automatic loading unloading system. So we have a gantry which is used for loading unloading of the component on the machine. So this is a totally unmanned machine. You have to just feed in the raw material and you get the finished component out. It's basically used for very high volume components. This is MX9. This is a Milton center, completely built in India at our Rajkot plant. This is a simultaneous 5-axis machine. This is fitted with 840D controller, and if you see the machine from inside, you can see the operation being performed in 5 axis. We have 1 axis on the head, 1 rotary axis, and 3 linear axis, making simultaneous 5 axis machining center. Now this machine of this size, this capability is manufactured in India at Jyoti. This is one of the products which is normally being imported in a big way in India. So this will be, this is the good breakthrough that we have. And you can see the component here that has been machined on this particular machine. Some of the machines which we manufacture in India, which are basically Huron design. Huron Stratton is a company which we own, and it is located in France. So this machine is a high precision 3-axis machine, which is a bridge type machine, and for precise and precision jobs basically. The next Huron machine which is made in India is K3X85. This is a 5-axis simultaneous machining center, smaller capacity, and you can see the working of the machine from inside now. There are 2 axes on the rotary table, and the component is rotated in 2 axes, and 3 linear axes makes it simultaneous 5-axis machine. Now this is a very precise machine, very widely used in the aerospace industry because of its precision. A very highly precise machine. This with VDI DGQ standards, we have 4 microns as the positioning accuracy and 2 microns as the repairability. And this machine is manufactured in India exclusively at Rajkot by us. Now this machine is also equipped with a very special feature of Huron, which has been developed from Huron. It is called Preci Protect. Avoids collision 100%. The biggest risk of using a machine, or the biggest damage that is done, is because of the crash that happens, or with the wrong feedback into the system, or the wrong input given, or the wrong placement of the component or the tooling. Now this looks ahead and protects the machine to get collided totally. We have been demonstrating here the practical usage. So, and under no circumstances the spindle is going to hit any object into the machine, inside the machine. So this is a very special feature which we have on display, and you can see that there is a big arena made here to make live demonstration, and we have it every hour, a live demonstration, and it's one of the best features that we have on display here. This is a real-time protection for any collision. Under no circumstances, the manual or the automatic, it is going to collide, the spindle is going to collide with the component or the fixture or sound. Then this again is one of the 5-axis machines that we have on display. This is UMIL 5, and this UMIL 5 is 5-axis using the Trunian table. Again, a very precise machine that we have on display to be demonstrated here. This is a very special machine. If you, this is IMTEX 300. This is one machine which has been developed by Jyoti in India as the first multitasking machine ever made here. This is one of the imports, substitution, and very critical components like the landing gear strut, which is the component is kept here. You can focus it here. Now this is one of the components which has been produced on this machine. So this is one of the wonders that an Indian machine tool industry has produced. This is called IMTEX 300, the first multitasking machine. I think we can see it from inside. I think so. You can see there is a milling head, a universal milling head on the top, and we have the component, heavy-duty components that can be machined in all surfaces. So it's a multitasking machine which not only does turning but milling and any other, many other machining operations. So this is one of the beautiful machines that we have on display. It's a big, huge machine. So as you see, we have displayed machines with technology because we are a technology-oriented company. and we focus more on technology, and you can see these machines on display. There are 7 launches that has been done here, but whereas if you see all of the machines, we have gone through most of the machines here, and you can see the technology that we manufacture in India and is on display here. Here we have 7 Sense. This is our contribution to the Industry 4.0 in the machine tool industry. This is a software which is developed for productivity with live monitoring, scheduling, and the reports generation. That is one module. The second one is the health monitoring and alerts with using the sensors. Now this is a real-time access to the condition of the machine in terms of productivity and the health. So this is one which you can see the screen. You can see we have 17 machines connected to this system here, and this is one of the machines on display, which shows various features of the machine in utilization. And the next screen here, it shows we have total 19 machines live connected to this, and this is the report that we can generate. So in short, it gives you the exact real-time picture of what is happening on the machine in detail. So this can be controlled using this software, also available on your mobile. And Industry 4.0 is what this is.
For all your time and valuable information, we wish all the best for this particular show to you. Thank you very much.